So yeah, check it out, little buddy. So beautiful. Alright, so here we have a lilac. He has a white chest, small diamond on his back. Honestly, that diamond's probably gonna shrink when he gets old, so it's probably not gonna be there. And he has a split in his face. Okay, come on, Bubba. He has a split in his face. Full white chest. Oh my goodness, look at that chest. I know, I'm sorry. Let's do it like this. Look at them little legs. Goodness. One of my favorite things about this litter is the proportions that came out. Proportions are really good. This guy, like I said, is a lilac. White toes on the front. Lilac on the back. Full tail. This little dude's gonna be a beast. He's gonna look just like Jehu. Split down the middle. That's gonna shrink up a little bit as he gets older, but it's still gonna be a nice white line through the middle of his head. On the back, there's the diamond. And then on the chest, full white, nice broad chest. Look at that. Looking beautiful. With a nice full tail.